Welcome to Hooked on Diamond Painting. This channel is dedicated to my love for diamond painting. The world of diamond painting is amazing, relaxing, and very rewarding. I started my diamond art journey in October of 2020, and there was no turning back. My friend Shewanna of Shewanna's Creative Circle is the one that started me down the Paint with Diamonds rabbit hole. And I'm so glad she did. So come join me as I journey down the diamond painting rabbit hole. There will be diamond painting unboxings, tips, tricks, and so much more. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share. Click the bell so you'll be notified when I upload a video. I am hooked on diamond painting and proud of it. Thank you for visiting my channel, and be safe.